Hello Mzansi, this is Mpilo and Mseleku, Mseleku's firstborn child, to Maweni being the second wife of Mseleku. Now Mzansi, like 4:10, Mphumelelo just posted a picture of his third girlfriend being pregnant. I mean, like, this boy is just only 21 years old or 22 years old. Like, but anyway, an apple does not fall far from the tree. So I guess we'll be seeing such drama on the new reality show of Izingane Ze'sthembu. So it's no secret that Mpumelelo is more or less like her father, or his father, I'm sorry. So his first baby mama is Vuyo Nciweni. She is Xhosa. I explained that in one of my videos. You know, they have a 2-year-old daughter together. Beautiful, beautiful, you know. Beautiful baby mama. And then the second girlfriend, she's not on social media, but I've just seen pictures of her here and there circulating on social media. And then now this is the third girlfriend, an official girlfriend or baby mama to be. So she goes by the name Miss Kylie, and she is currently pregnant, so congratulations to her. Yeah, so I guess we'll be seeing more of this on the new reality show that is coming. But hi, Mphumelelo Mseleku, udera too much, man. Udera too much. Anyway, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest. Ngozi, bye bye.